On today's video, let's see if we can fix your trailer lights with some taco sauce. Hey there, outdoor YouTubers. It's Dave Knetter from Knetter's Practical Outdoors. Now, I know a lot of you guys out there use trailers, right? You use them for your boats, snowmobiles, side-by-sides, campers, right? And chances are, if you've used trailers at all, you've probably had some problems with trailer lights, okay? I think we all kind of go through that. And, you know, sometimes it's just a bulb, sometimes it's the wiring, but sometimes it's a bad connection at the plug, right? You got your plug on your vehicle, your plug on the trailer. They need to come together. They need to be clean. They got to be able to pass electricity through there to the trailer. And sometimes these things just get dirty, right? They get corroded, tarnished, dirty. Well, here's kind of a fun way to clean these up. This one here is just kind of an old, used, dirty one. I had taken off a trailer some time ago, but we're going to go ahead and clean it up, all right? Now, first thing you do is you go down to Taco Bell and you pick up one of your favorite combo meals, okay? Mine's a number 2. Love the smell of a number 2. All right, whatever. Anyways, so you go down there, you pick up your favorite combo meal, and you ask for a bunch of extra taco sauce, all right? Which I have here. And then we're going to put the taco sauce in this little cup, okay? And then we're going to put the plug in the taco sauce, all right? Now, if this plug was attached to your vehicle, you know, your truck or your trailer, what you want to do then is put the taco sauce in a sandwich bag, then put the plug in the sandwich bag with the taco sauce and kind of tape it up to the wiring, you know, so that plug is kind of immersed in that taco sauce. All right, so the next step is you go ahead and you eat your combo meal. All right. All right, I am done with my number 2 combo meal, and now we're going to take the plug out, okay? I got a little tray of water right here. We're going to take it out. We're going to rinse it off in the water. Then we're going to wipe it. And I'll tell you what, guys, it really does look pretty good. Now guys, I know we had a little fun with this demonstration, right? But the taco sauce really does work for cleaning up these electrical connections. Yeah, it really does. I would recommend that you leave the plugs sit in the taco sauce for probably a little over an hour. Then take them out, rinse them off, wipe them off, and you should be good to go. All right. Well, hey, remember to hunt, fish, laugh, repeat. This is Dave Knetter from Knetter's Practical Outdoors. Hey, thanks for watching and God bless.